An Amazon Locker is a secure self-service kiosk that allows you to pick up your package anytime you'd like. You heard me. I said anytime. Okay. They are super easy to use. You place your order on Amazon, then via email, you get an access code, and you have 3 days to pick up your item. You take that code to the locker of your choice. You go up to the locker, type in that code, bam, your locker opens, and then you get your package, and you're all set. You can also use an Amazon Locker to return an item. You can't order large items like a mattress or a television. They just won't fit in an Amazon Locker. So that's a little bit frustrating, and I'm hoping Amazon can address that. Also, Amazon Lockers are typically in high traffic locations. A 7-Eleven, an apartment complex, Whole Foods. Look, I love that it's convenient. I like that I can go to Whole Foods, get my grocery shopping in, or go to 7-Eleven, get a donut, and then pick up my package. However, parking is typically really hard. I live in Los Angeles, and 9 times out of 10, it is really hard to find parking and to even get inside of this location. Now, why is it hard? It's not physically hard to get inside. Sometimes the aisles are tight, sometimes there are long lines, so you're having to move around people, and that's if you find parking. Just make sure you have plenty of time to get your Amazon package. Another thing is, if you live in a big city, the Amazon Lockers are typically pretty full. There have been many times that I've tried to have a package delivered to a specific Amazon Locker, and it was full. If you live in a big city, you're gonna run into this issue. And it could happen in a small town. Oftentimes, there are a lot of people who wanna use the locker, and you'll have to use a different one, or you'll have to wait. All right, everyone, that's the end of this video. If you're interested in using an Amazon Locker, make sure you go online and do some research. See if there is one available where you live. I fully recommend trying it out. If you do, let me know how it goes. If you have any questions, let me know, hit me up. Lauren Hamilton, I'm here for you, helping you save money for that expensive date you'll never go on.